Goddamn, I didn't see it. When you lived here all your life, but didn't mean it. And I swear, I know what green is, but it's hard sometimes to breathe in all the scenic. Dream of palaces and countrysides. All I want is to wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone. Break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark, 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. But I get along where I don't belong. Yeah, yeah. I'm blessed, I'll believe it when they tell me I'm here for a reason. Hold on, another season, couple minutes back and forth, then we'll be leaving. To our palaces and countrysides, all I want is to wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone. Break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark, 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. No, I don't belong. But I get along where I don't belong. No, it's just a feeling, just a feeling. 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 Dream of palaces and countrysides. All I want is to wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone. Break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark, 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't belong. No, I don't belong.
Sunrise is about to happen. Day 2 on the boat, and I thought I'd show you guys what we actually do on like a regular day here. So this is our first full day, so I'm not even sure what we're going to get up to, but I'll let you know. And I'll show you the sunrise. Doing good, bus? First things first today, we've got yoga up on the deck. Sunrise just happened, so it's just a little bit post sunrise yoga, and then some fruit, and then I don't even know what next. Play by you. Spread out the toes, rock a bit from side to side, bend your knees to get your chest a little closer to the thigh. And now we're all getting ready and going for a little dive. I think we're doing line training, which means that they put a tennis ball on the bottom of a line. I think we're going 12 meters today, 12 and a half meters, and then we practice going down as far as we can. I think. I'll let you know.
Goddamn, I didn't see it. When you lived here all your life, but didn't mean it. And I swear, I know what green is, but it's hard sometimes to breathe in all the scenic. Dream of palaces and countrysides. All I want is to wake up with the morning light, laughing all alone. Break away from all the city lights, hiding in the dark, 'cause you don't belong where you don't belong. Yeah, I don't belong. No, I don't belong.
Well, that was fun. Freediving is so much cooler than I thought. You pretty much just follow a line down, and then it's like meditation in motion. And now, brekkie time!
flew you to Hong Kong especially.
Yeah, so it's at 2000.
I want to see if I can get all the way up there. Let's go get selfies. We just went for another little snorkel, and then now I think it's 3 o'clock already, or 3:30, and we got a bit carried away snorkeling, so we're about to go have lunch. I think we got nasi goreng, and then we're going to do we're starting to move the boat right now actually, and we're headed off overnight, and then hopefully that'll be passing into the Komodo National Park, which is some beautiful freediving and snorkeling over there, so I've been told. And that's where we're up to. Nasi goreng.
So hungry.
Vegan gluten-free stuff.
Yeah, so
Workout on a boat. That's something new. I just fell asleep here for like a couple of hours after lunch. It was so comfortable. It is almost sunset, and I think we're headed upstairs to do some sunset yoga on the rooftop, even when we're moving, which is going to be interesting. I think it's going to be more like a seated yin version of yoga, but I'll head up top and check it out. You guys have got to see this sunset too, it's so beautiful. So we just had dinner. It was actually a really funny, lovely dinner. So we've all just been chilling around the table afterwards, having a little chat. After sunset yoga, it was phenomenal. So we were out there through the sunset, and then it's a full moon tonight as well. And so the moon's really strong, bright, and really powerful. And so we kind of just laid out on the top of the deck for a little while, looked at the stars. It was really, really beautiful, emotionally healing. It was phenomenal. Like I wish everyone could experience what we experienced tonight. Yeah, and then we had dinner, and then now we're going to go and watch a couple more of the videos of the freediving techniques and stuff. So the theory, I suppose, of what we're learning while we're here. And then I might go sit up top and maybe even sleep up top tonight, because it is so, so beautiful under that full moon, and I would love to just harness her energy. So I think that'll be today in a little nutshell for you. Hopefully that gave you a little bit of an insight into what we're doing here. Ocean Soul Retreats, I did one 3 years ago. They are so healing. It's beautiful. It's connection to yourself, to nature, to the other people in the group. And they often just feel like you're creating a little family with the other people on board and on the trips. So the last retreat that I did with Ocean Soul was about 3 years ago, and it was a yoga and surf retreat. So that was in Bali. And then this one is obviously the yoga and freediving retreat. And I'm obsessed with both of them. I love them so much. And it's really good to connect back with Georgie, who is the owner, and she runs it all. She's the biggest sweetheart in the whole world. So if you even get to come just to meet her, totally worth it. Yeah, so I think I'd better run up. I got my teacup, and catch up with everyone while we're watching these movies, and then go to sleep under the stars and the big moon, Mama Moon. So I'm gonna head off, but I'm gonna love you and leave you. And that is a day in the life on an Ocean Soul freediving and yoga retreat. This is crazy! How good is this, Mark? So freaking phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Wow.